How to build positive relationships with conscious communication. Feel the need to be understood? Here is the art of conscious or intuitive communication. What is a conscious communication? It focuses on engaging with others by remaining attentive to shared interests and sentiments. Intentional communication allows you to maintain good self-esteem. Firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Conscious communication might be verbal, nonverbal, intrapersonal, or face-to-face. Unlike body language, they are uncontrollable automatic activities that frequently transmit feelings. 1. Creating personal space. There is a difference in the space between you and the people you know against strangers or those you dislike. Space can be used to show pleasure or lack thereof with others. 2. Use of gestures. When speaking verbally, we often use gestures to communicate unintentionally and involuntarily. 3. Use of intonation. When we speak, our voices vary and express different emotions. Some emotions include shock, anger, surprise, happiness, etc. 4. Listen reflectively. Reflective listening promotes paying attention. It also builds more meaningful interpersonal linkages. The connections are based on compassion and understanding. It is beneficial to both the sender and the recipient. 5. Be composed and communicate slowly. Stay calm to avoid many conflicts. Deep breaths are an excellent way to stay centered in your physique and maintain a peaceful demeanor. Talking fast is typically indicative of being detached and anxious. 6. Learn to receive and give empowering feedback. Effective communication is a two-way process. Consciously giving and receiving feedback helps you leave behind what won't work for you and pick up what will build you. Advantages of conscious communication. 1. Engaging questions and critical thinking. Participants in communication have the power to ask you questions. The ability to ask questions is crucial to efficient information interchange. You may enhance your communication skills by asking the relevant questions in the right setting. 2. Recognizing everyone's uniqueness. We have unique skills and life experiences to share. Acknowledge these differences within the team so that individuals feel valued. Teams with various backgrounds and skills can bring various approaches, perspectives, and opinions. Try to practice diverse consciousness while communicating. 3. Helping you observe yourself and those around you. Observe yourself while communicating without judging. Question yourself. How are you delivering the message? How is your vocal intonation? What body language are you using? When knowing the reason for your communication, you'll adopt clarity into conscious communication. 4. Ensuring empathy. Conscious communicators can put you in the shoes of your peers. Their state of mind sometimes allows mutual understanding. Incorporate empathy into the mindful communication for mutual understanding. How to practicing conscious communication. Make use of your body language, words, and energy in every interaction to become a good communicator. Be careful with how you express yourself and influence others. Take on more responsibility in your relationships and recognize your part to overcome the obstacles in your interactions. 1. Assessing what happened. Calm down and stay grounded. Gain emotional stability, and you can think clearly. Looking at the situation as a third party or neutral may not be easy. Start by describing the problem as an outsider. Remove yourself from the case and cultivate an impartial and pure heart. 2. Expressing how you feel. Describe how you feel with words that clearly illustrate your core emotions. Don't use comments that encourage feelings of victimization. The key is to express yourself, not add more fuel to the fire. 3. Address your needs. We all have different needs when consciously communicating with others. There are 4 crucial human needs: affection, attention, appreciation, acceptance. Ask yourself if you're getting these. 4. Asking for more. Know exactly what you are asking for from the others. It is crucial to allow yourself to dwell on uncertainty, be vulnerable, and demand what you require. Evaluate the response of the individual you are dealing with it calmly.